This is Dabu 7. We have had a 5.1 earthquake strike in Oklahoma. This is a very shallow earthquake. It struck at a depth of only 2 kilometers. This is in the heart of what many call fracking country, where we see all these swarms and these quakes that you can see here that have risen in magnitude from 2s to 3s to 4s up to 4.5s, and now we have just witnessed a 5.1. Now the 5.1, like I said, was very shallow. It was felt in Kansas, and since that one, which was 37 minutes ago, there has been a 3.9 strike in the same vicinity at 5 kilometers depth. We'll take a look here. And like I said, this is in an area where they have a lot of fracking going on all over the place. You can see this is north of this reservoir. And this other quake has struck just south of the original one. 5.1 here, and now a 3.9 here. So I know folks out there, I've seen on social media reporting that they felt the shaking. This is what it was from. This quake that struck, like I said, in this fracking area. At this point, I have no reports of damage over here on USGS. They have it listed as a 5.1 as well, so they're staying with that magnitude. A lot of times you'll see them downgrade earthquakes, very rarely upgrade them. But, you know, these quakes, 5.1 over here in this area toward the East Coast, it's felt throughout a lot further distance rather than one on the West Coast, just because of the way that the earth is made. Now, I'll continue to update with details as I get them, as people on social media, Twitter, are sharing their accounts. If there's any damage or anything like that done, I'll make sure to update with that info as well. I'll leave links, and hopefully we don't see any other quakes of this size or magnitude, but this is something you knew was coming as they were growing larger and larger and larger, and they've now broken that threshold of a magnitude 5 coming in at a 5.1. Will they grow larger than that? When is enough here with the fracking, which is obviously connected to all of this? I guess only time will tell at this point. If the swarm continues, it gets out of hand anymore, I'll update with another video. This has been Dabu7 with an earthquake update.